Hello, Funke Oyende here with this paper leaf design, this paper leaf training. To make this design of paper leaf, I just cut a square of 6 inches by 6 inches. That's the size of my paper, but you can use another square size you like, depending on how big or small you want your leaf to be at the end. So after cutting your square, then you draw a line like this, diagonally across like this, and then I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. I'm going to cut out that diagonal line. Next, I'm going to pleat this. So I'm going to begin to pleat it from this tip down. I pleat it and fold in accordion pleat style. I fold it like this and then fold it that other way and then fold it back again until I fold the entire paper. So now I have my entire paper folded up in accordion pleats. So next, I'm going to grab my glue. You need glue, and I will fold this into two here, like this. I'm going to fold it into two along that base and make sure they're equal. Okay, and I will put glue here to join them together. Let me allow some time for my glue to dry. Then I'll join it to the other side in the middle like that. And as I join them, I have my leaf formed. So you can now open out your pleats very well to widen the size of your leaf. So that's another design of leaf there right there for you. You can make them in any size or any color and use along with your flowers, the paper flowers. I hope you love this design. Thank you much. Thank you very much for watching. Funke Oyende signing off. Bye bye.